Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Monero token is legit or a scam. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. Firstly, you have to open this token on CoinMarketCap, and here you can see this token audit details, and you can also check institutional rating, and here you can check bullish and bearish comment. And click on market section. Now here you can check this token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, Bybit, OKX and other popular exchanges. After that you have to click on explorers and go to holder section. Now here you can check all the holders transaction details. So if I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 85% chance is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.